So now we have here two, as you can see, they're footed. These are footed jewellery boxes. Again, they have nice Celtic design on them and the symbols from the harp which we use. And it comes with either a plain top that you see here, or it's also available with the Claddagh. So it's a nice jewellery box, lovely shape and a lovely little feet on it. Again, for two rings, perfect for a wedding occasion. And then the larger version, again, nice finish on the inside, nice colour, lovely finish to it. Again, nice Celtic design all around, fitted leg as well. Very easy on the eye. You can hardly see how it has been soldered on. It's been done so well.
And the harp is on the legs.
The harp's on the leg, you can see. And then plain top again on this one, but also available with Claddagh. You can have it either way.